So if you want to set a child lock on your LG washing machine, and actually the model doesn't make any big difference, as it looks pretty much like this, then you need to do only one thing. First of all, you need to turn on your washing machine. For being able to do that, you can start the washing already or just have it in the first menu, and then you're looking for these two buttons like delay end and add item, and as you can see in the bottom there is a child lock. So you press these two together and wait for 3 seconds. After waiting 3 seconds, you will see the CL pop on, which means closed or locked screen. So right now you are not able to operate with any of these buttons. And if your washing is already in progress, you will see the time left and the fact that it is locked switching over and over again. And if right now you will turn off your washing machine and then you turn it back, you can see the child lock is still in place. And the only thing how you can turn it off is, again, you need to go to these two buttons, hold them for 3 seconds, and your child lock again disappears. So you can do all the magic, but also your kids can access the washing machine. Then you can turn it off and start from whatever you want.